Hi, today we're going to be doing a catch, clean, and cook on a sunfish that my dad caught while we were fishing earlier. I didn't get any of the fishing part on video. What we're gonna do is first we're gonna cut off all of his little fins. Okay, so now we're done. We got all the fins off of the fish. We use scissors to cut the fins off, and we are going to, so for scaling the fish, you can either use your knife like this, the back of your knife, or you can use a scaler, which that's what I'm gonna use. Maybe. Okay, so we got the guts out. You can see he has no more guts. You don't want any blood or anything. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna hose all of this. It's in his gills, in his mouth. And we're gonna hose him down. Oh, I missed the scale. Right there you can see I missed the scale. That's okay, I'll just get it off. So we're just gonna hose him off. And then he's ready. Except for we're gonna add seasonings, of course, but, well. Okay, I'm back, and now I got our seasonings that we're gonna be using. We're gonna be using some olive oil. Like this. We're gonna pour a little bit inside. And we're gonna rub it around. We're gonna pour a little bit on both sides. And then we're gonna add some salt. On both sides. And then on the inside. And then we're gonna add some pepper on both sides. And on the inside. We're gonna rub them like this. I'm gonna hose off my hands. And then we're gonna take our little fish. We're gonna set down this stuff. Get it out of the way. So now we have the grill set to 300 degrees. So we're gonna just put the fish on the grill. And we'll check on him in a few minutes. I will see you then. Okay, so the fish is done. We're gonna put him on this plate, and then we're gonna taste him.
No, wrong fork.
So we're gonna peel off the skin.
Smells like rotting fish.
And then if we scrape down like this, it should just pull off the bones. You can see right there. Good.
You can't do it.
We're gonna scrape off the skin.